So this is an unboxing video of a Uintah Precision AR-15 upper bolt action. I don't see this very much on YouTube, so I figured I just might as well do one. But first off, I thought it was interesting that how companies really pay attention to details that the customer is requesting. Well, I usually do something kind of goofy and fun with vendors by asking them to draw a monkey fighting a shark on the box, just to see if they have any reaction, number one. Number two, lighten up their day a bit. Unfortunately, in this one, they don't, but they do read the comments, which is important, and I think it's very important for vendors to pay attention to any orders that their customer is requesting. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open up, see what's inside. So first, I have to apologize. I misplaced my X-Acto knife, so I'll just go ahead and use this flathead screwdriver and just kind of cut through the edges here. So in this specific order, I was asking for a UPR-15, which mounts on a standard AR-15 lower, and it is chambered in the 6 arc. It's a 22-inch barrel. So, all right, so let's take a look. Here, so there we go. All right, so what do we got here? Well, let's turn it around. Let's see here. So the trigger that I ordered with it, it's still back ordered. I'm okay with that for now, so I appreciate that for them mentioning that. That's great. Okay, what do we got here? Schwags and pamphlets, brochures, and I get a 10% off coupon for apparel stuff. Okay. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That is my good friend. How about that? He made it on the cover finally. Oh my goodness. It is hilarious. Awesome. Awesome for him to be involved in it. By the way, I had to pay full retail costs just like everybody else. Nothing special. No, I know somebody discount. So, all right. Let's take a look. We got stickers. I'm not too much into unboxing, but I figured there was none on YouTube, so all right, let's take a quick look at it. All right, there she is. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can take a look at the bolt here. So hold on a moment. Okay, I spun it around a little bit here since I had the camera on my one hand, so you can see it. Seems pretty nice. Okay. And the bolt itself that got out, it is a 3-lug. All right. Okay. There you go, folks. That's what is included. And I'll talk to you guys soon. And keep up on my channel. Subscribe if you want to, as I build this and do some load development on it for 6mm ARC. Thanks a lot.